Hello girlfriend and boyfriend, welcome back to another video. And today's video I'm so much scared.
Hello girlfriend and boyfriend, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I posted new video.
This bad boy is going to be on my face, like, oh my god, it's paining.
You are about to watch a video of needle pierce into the skin, so if you are scared, please skip the video. Kobayashi bone.
Look at my hand, okay, it's shaking. You see, my hand is shaking right now. I'm shaking! Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. But I'm not scared. So this is going to be like, hi, I'm going to get like, I want to get it done here. So take a marker and mark it wherever you want to pierce. I'm just gonna apply a choop. I want to go in here, but like, you know, I have some bee biting me over here, so it's not possible. I'm gonna do it here. Yeah. Oh no. Like seriously, this is going to my skin. This is the one which we use in hospital for drip. So it's okay, holy moly donut shop. I'm going to pierce my skin right now. Okay. I cannot do this. Sorry. I'm scared. What if I go to PP and I'll just be I can feel it's going inside.
You are about to watch a video of needle pierce into the skin, so if you are scared, please skip the video.
That is so easy peasy. Oh my god, so easy peasy. Well, how can I take it out? Now I have to pull. Okay, now I have only the plastic pieces inside. Huh? It's so easy. Oh my god, it's so easy. Oh mama. This is the needle that go inside. Oh my god, it's so big, so big, so big, so big. Pull this out. Okay.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm done. Oh, like seriously, it's not comfortable for my teeth, but like, yeah, it's gonna go like in a while. I'm so much excited, so much happy. Yo yo yo. Don't save this for the next piercing, okay? It's not a good idea. Just tossed it in trash. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Shower dears, I'm done. Hopefully that it's gonna be like okay. So I'm apply Borrowing is good for my skin.